All right, ladies, welcome. This is week one. We're starting off with the NFL. NFL stands for the National Football League that consists of 32 teams. Those 32 in the AFC. The AFC is broken down even farther. There's the AFC North, South, East, and West. NFC North, broken down the same way. Consists of the North, South, East, and West. 16 teams here, 6 teams here, give you 32 teams. 16 weeks football, regular season games, 4 preseason games. That's played on Sunday. And good matchups are mostly on Monday.